Karnataka government is considering a ban on junk food in school and hospital canteens as part of its efforts to promote healthier eating habits. Health and Family Welfare Minister UT Khadir said the government wants to begin the initiative at District Venlock Hospital in Mangaluru, which could serve as a model for other government and private hospitals. Khadir said lifestyle diseases are increasingly linked to the consumption of junk food. He added that the government is also examining a proposal to ban the sale of junk food near schools for students from classes 1 to 10, while encouraging the availability for healthier food options. The minister said the Food Safety Act provides advocate power to regulate the sale of unhealthy food. To strengthen enforcement, the government also plans to upgrade existing food testing laboratories and set up a new food testing lab in Bengaluru under a public-private partnership model. Khadir further said the government is considering amendments to the Karnataka State Civil Services Act to make transfers of doctors and medical staff more flexible, allowing those willing to serve in rural areas to do so.